In the Hostinger website builder, duplicating a page is a great way to enhance your efficiency in creating websites with consistent content and style across multiple pages. To duplicate a page, you can navigate to Settings and select the Duplicate option. This tutorial focuses on the subsequent step of renaming the duplicated page. After duplicating a page, you'll notice the original page alongside the new duplicated version with Copy appended to its name. To customize the new page, simply click on the cog icon to access the page settings. From there, you can easily rename the page to suit your needs.
Within the page settings, you have the flexibility to update various aspects, such as the visibility of the page and its navigation name. For instance, you can change the name to something like Our History. Upon renaming, both the navigation name and the page URL will be automatically updated. It's important to remember the page URL should contain hyphens instead of spaces for proper functionality. If desired, you can also modify the page URL by ensuring the use of hyphens for spaces. Once you've renamed the page and made any necessary adjustments, remember to save your changes. Your newly customized page is now ready for content updates.
In the event that you wish to delete a page and start afresh, simply click on the cog icon and select the Delete option. This straightforward process allows you to manage your website pages efficiently, ensuring a seamless editing experience.